Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Sign into Visual Studio with your GitHub account, then install the GitHub Copilot extension. Once done, enable Copilot in Tools options so suggestions appear inline. Make sure your workspace has a supported language file open. Copilot triggers context-aware completions. By doing these initial steps now, you avoid back and forth later and get immediate, relevant suggestions as you type. Next, configure Copilot behavior and learn practical controls. Open options to tune suggestion frequency, enable panel previews, and set keyboard shortcuts so you move faster. When coding, write a clear comment or partial function signature to guide Copilot. This shapes the output and reduces edits. Use the inline accept shortcut for quick inserts or cycle alternatives when you need variation. Once configured, you'll notice fewer irrelevant completions and more context-aware, usable code suggestions. Finally, complete your workflow by validating and refining suggestions. Always review generated code, run tests, and apply linters to ensure correctness and security. If Copilot stops responding, re-authenticate with GitHub or refresh your token. This usually restores service. Make sure the extension is up to date and disable any conflicting extensions that override completions. If problems persist, restart Visual Studio and check network access. Often a quick restart or relogin fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.